Hello everybody, Jen from Scrapping Under the Influence. I'm here with a new project kit that is available right now in my shop. I have used the brand new Doodlebug mini collection, Be Happy, with one of their amazing 6x8 albums to create this super packed album. We will use every single page that is in this kit, or in the album. The Doodlebug albums come with 10 page protectors, 5 heavy chipboard inserts, 4 cardstock inserts, and 4 pocket page inserts, and we are going to use every single one of them plus some acetate. So the collection, or the kit, comes with the 6x8 album, the 12x12 collection kit, the 6x8 collection pad, paper pad, 2 sheets of the patterned acetate, the All the Things pack, puffy icons, 2 doodle pops, a couple of sheets of petite prints, white paper for your photo mats, and the ribbon that is used in the project. So literally with this one, all you need is your adhesive, because I am giving you pop dots as well, or foam squares as well. So let's take a look. On the front here, we've got our little shaker pop with the little honey jar, our happy hive, this adorable gingham ribbon that matches perfectly. Comes with the kit, and inside you're going to have tons of spots for pictures. So we've got a 4x6 spot over here. We've got our 8x8. This is the first of our 2 acetate page inserts, so we've got photo mats on there. The chipboard inserts are just fabulous. We've got plenty of space for pictures here. Here's one of the pocket inserts that's part of the album itself. We've got a couple of flaps that we're doing like this with cardstock. This white cardstock is included as well. Pieces from the sticker sheet and the All the Things pack. We've got a pocket here. Here's our other doodle pop that we're using in here, because I love this bear. There's not nearly enough of this bear, although the bees doing things just absolutely crack me up. So we've got an acetate photo mat here with our puffy icons. Puffy icons. I knew there was something else included. Puffy icons are also included. We've got another pocket here. Our tags, we've got puffy icons. We've got another photo flap here. Another one of the pockets right there. Nice big photo spots here. This is a tuck spot, so you could add some other pictures underneath here as well. We've got a little gatefold photo layout spot in here as well, and this ribbon is included. Here's our second acetate page, and I used the border stickers back to back from the This and That sticker sheet and one of our puffy icons for that. We've got another big page here, and then we've got the first of our 2 acetate flaps that are part of the tutorial and the kit as well. And it just continues on. There's another one of our acetate photo mats, another one of the pocket pages, chipboard insert. This is our second bigger flip out. Again, ribbon is included. And just continuing on, here's our other acetate flap with the page protector piece. Photo cutting diagram is included, printed with the kit, as well as access to the assembly video, and we of course finish it off with a sticker on, oops, something caught here. A sticker on the back, because I do like to do that with those stickers with the Doodlebug collections. So there is the entire project. The kit is available on my website right now, scrappingundertheinfluence.com, and these will be shipping as soon as tomorrow morning. Thanks for watching.